You look outside, calm as could be. By the time you get everything packed up in your car to go fly, the wind picks up. That's what's happened today. But I'm gonna tough it out, brave it out, and Maiden, Nate already made this, but do my Maiden of the Dynam Primo. That's what I'm going with. This is a trainer plane, huge wheels. Nate talks a little bit more about this in depth on his Maiden, so we'll have that carded, and probably it'll be the end screen of this video too, so make sure you check out his video. And you guys, before I fly, like this video. I'm not gonna fly until you hit like. Did you hit like yet? Like. All right, let's fly.
Don't be afraid of power with this one. Yeah, you can go just about full throttle and be just fine. And you might have to for some of the wind flying, because this is a pretty big, slow, docile flyer.
The wheels make it look crazy.
Right. All right, I know you'll find your comfort zone in just a second. It's a big airplane, and that is kind of unique. We don't have a lot of giants on our channel because, you know, you want to fit everything you can in the car that you have. Maybe someday we'll get an enclosed trailer or something, I don't know. But there you go, the Dynam, I'd call it the Primo or the Primo.
Well, no, I said Primo.
You said Primo, whatever. Someday you and I will learn our own language. Now, just a heads up guys, we have a low camera battery flashing. If we cut out, that's why. Abby's doing great. So we have a safe receiver installed in this airplane. It's actually the same receiver that we had in our Dynam Spitfire. Now our Dynam Spitfire has a new happy home with another YouTube friendo. And I just took that receiver and slapped it in this plane, and what do you know? It works perfectly. I didn't reprogram anything or change anything. As far as the receiver knows, it's still in a Spitfire. Isn't that cool? I like that. I like that a lot. What do you think of this big slug, Abby?
It's really big. I don't know what to say.
It's just a big old slug.
It's just different how it flies.
Right.
Definitely like flies heavy, I feel like.
There you go. It's a good way to describe it. And you're doing... Oh, you are fighting some awful wind. It's really unfair that you have to fly with this much wind. We were at the house and I said, Abby, this is just the most calm, beautiful, perfect day ever. Why are we not flying? She's like, fine, let's get some batteries charged. You know, once I get her out here, she's all for it, but it's just kind of like breaking that lazy mindset, right? Just relax. You have had a 5-day headache, and I feel really bad for you. But it is hard to break out of that mindset, isn't it, guys? Once you get in that, like, it's not laziness, but it is kind of like a lazy day, right? You're relaxing today, and sometimes you just want to stay inside. But I said, nope, let's take advantage of it. And here we get up here, and she's gotta fight the wind. But you know what? At the end of the day, I think you'll be more glad we came up here to fly than sit on the couch, right? Always. After it's all said and done.
Unless you crash.
Unless you crash. Then those couch potatoes sounded so much better than crashing your airplane. Well, you're flying this really well. You're not even like struggling at all. Or are you?
No, I'm not struggling too bad.
You're struggling to speak today.
Yeah.
You're doing good. You're doing very good. We're on the back side of the sun too, so we've got a very silhouette kind of video today. There you go.
Keep talking to me about this tree.
She wants this tree gone right here.
Well, I have no choice. This is my land.
No, but she wants it gone anyway. I'm sure we all.
Like if I start talking, I'm gonna hit the tree.
I'm sure we all have that tree in our lives, don't we? We just want that tree gone, but we have to deal with it.
Like you could relate that tree to many, many things.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm getting at. That might have been your 4-minute mark.
That was kind of scary.
I think it was.
I don't even know if I could do a loop with this. You
yeah.
me to do. You said
you can handle a loop. Just power through it. Just commit to it. That's why you climbed.
So sluggish.
It's sluggish. Get your nose in the wind when you do it, though.
This way?
Nope.
I don't know which way.
The wind is hitting our right ear.
Don't do it. I loop this way, but okay.
You're gonna turn left. You know, head back toward us, or right, whatever.
So you stay way out there and climb.
Yep.
Come on, turn, plane.
You could use rudder. Okay, your turn. Loop it.
Oh
Safe
gosh,
off.
I didn't even know I was turned yet.
Yep, safe off.
Oh yeah, forgot about that.
That's the kiddo cheering for you. I thought that was like an eagle. She just laughed too. She was like, "Caw!" Oh, that was funny.
Beeping?
That's your countdown timer to 5 minutes.
Oh, too many beeps.
The headache, I guess. Well, be happy.
I did
We're
a loop,
flying.
you guys.
You did a loop.
Did you see that? I feel like my loop got discredited. Amelia distracted everybody.
Caw!
She stole my thunder.
Now power dive. Go, go, go. Good job. You flying mostly and safe, right?
I think so. Yes.
That's pretty good if you don't
I was
know.
trying to remember if I turned it back on. Yes, the safe is back on.
Well, you've had a nice flight. For the sake of the camera battery, you could touch down. You could touch down. Because we're still gonna do some chase drone shots here too. We think. If there are none, something very bad happened. Nice approach. Kill that throttle. Yeah, just use gravity now.
And grass.
Gravity and grass. That's right.
Come closer, plane.
A little more throttle if you want to land closer.
Oh gosh.
And commit. Kill that throttle. Gravity. Flight. Oh, yeah, it's okay. That's okay. That's okay. You did good.
Thank goodness for the giant wheel.
That's what they're there for. You could taxi it back in. That thing is a monster truck, really. Taxi it. Elevator. Elevator.
I have full elevator.
Okay. You got it.
Look, it's mowing the grass.
Mowing the grass, taxiing. And no, don't take off into the bale of hay. You got it. Taxi that sucker back in here. That's the beauty of this airplane. That's what makes it unique. Those giant wheels, the off-road capability.
I can't believe that. That's wild.
We also,
Oh, good job, airplane.
Yeah. Best field plane ever.
Well, for a fairly windy flight, that was pretty easy to fly. I was really comfortable in the air. Honestly, the only reason I was quiet for a while was because, you know, I want to fly basically directly behind you. But today, because of the sun, I needed to fly kind of at a weird angle. And that tree made me nervous. It's a little quiet. Plus, I don't know, I guess if I had one complaint, this just seems like it's a little like heavy and underpowered. So like even that loop, it just felt really sluggish. And you guys saw in Nate's Maiden, his roll, he actually, as he was rolling it, had to compensate for being upside down because it was just upside down for so long with elevators. So like, if you're gonna get this plane, it's not really like for maneuvers. It's just mainly to just fly, do low passes, some figure eights, and just kind of peaceful, non-stress flying. And if you also saw Nate's Maiden, he crashed it while I was on the racetrack. I hope he edited it like amazingly well. Like I want like amazing like Celine Dion music.
That's gonna cost a lot. That's like 5 months of Patreon support.
I hope he does. So you guys, if you didn't see that video, it is gonna be linked here in a minute. But that was an awesome flight, and for that I want to thank God. It's just a beautiful day, and I'm just thankful I got to come out here and fly this for you guys. It's just amazing that we're able to share this hobby with you. Also, I want to say huge thanks to our RC patron family members for your all support. It just means the world to me and Nate, so thank you so much. All right, here it is. Nate's Maiden popping up on the screen right about now. Go check that out, and also this is linked down in that description box if you're interested. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys over there. Bye!